Hello guys, we're back to more videos, and today we're back. Okay, so this is my cactus over there. His name is Adrian. So that's okay. I don't know his name. I don't know what is his name. So anyways, guys, that is the cactus. I think so. Anyways, guys, I like that. I want to just play cactus body as a hair. So I'm gonna play. So I'm going to kiss it. So we're going to kiss it, guys. What the heck? Alright. Okay, start. So what's that smile thing? I like this game. Wait, I like this photo, guys. I like this photo. So I'm going to upload in my other channel. It's called Elden Race. I don't know, guys. So this is my pillow. This is a thing. But I need to do this record thing. But I need to just upload it. Hello, what the heck? Hello, I am going to sleep. Yes, he said it. She said yes. Yes, I did. Okay. She will just sleep, and also, okay, the next day. Okay, that's the next day. Oh, good morning, baby. Oh my god. Yes, good morning. Okay, so let's go to eat. But only the reason I to just comment. You can just comment me if one, guys. So, anyways, guys, this is the pillow. This is my fellow pillow. So that's good. So we're going to see. Where's the cactus? Okay, the cactus guy. Cactus Scarlet. Okay. Speaks English. Speaks English, okay. I like cactus. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Why does the eyes look this? Okay. That's good. So I'm going to get the chicken. Let me get the chicken real quickly.
Next, you'll need an item spawner. This is where the fuses will spawn. So I'm going to place 4 of these around the map. Now we need to connect the collector.
Okay, there is, guys. There's a chicken. Okay, this is the chicken in the world, guys. I like the chicken. They buy in 1 month ago. This is from 1 month ago. This is a chicken. Chicken will kiss you, guys.
Now, as I mentioned
Okay.
earlier in the video, some of these things may be a little buggy, but hopefully the devs will
Okay.
fix the bugs as soon as. If there's anything
So anyways, guys, I'm gonna upload a new video.
down in the comments.
So anyways, guys. Goodbye.